Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about some vegan snacks ideas. 1. Veggie chips and hummus. Crunchy chips made from vegetables like kale or beets, paired with creamy and flavorful hummus made from chickpeas. Veggie chips provide vitamins and minerals from vegetables, while hummus offers protein and healthy fats. 2. Peanut butter and banana on rice cakes. Spread some peanut butter on rice cakes for a satisfying combination of nutty and sweet flavors. Peanut butter provides protein and healthy fats, while bananas offer potassium and fiber. Rice cakes are a low-calorie and gluten-free option. 3. Roasted chickpeas. Chickpeas seasoned with spices like paprika or cumin, then roasted until crispy. They make a protein-packed and crunchy snack. 4. Guacamole and tortilla chips. Creamy and flavorful guacamole made from mashed avocados, paired with crispy tortilla chips for dipping. Guacamole is rich in heart-healthy fats and vitamins, while tortilla chips provide a satisfying crunch. 5. Energy balls, small, bite-sized balls made from dates, nuts, and other ingredients. They're packed with energy and make for a quick and nutritious snack. 6. Vegan yogurt with granola and berries. Enjoy a bowl of vegan yogurt topped with crunchy granola and fresh berries for a refreshing and satisfying snack. Vegan yogurt offers probiotics and calcium, while granola and berries provide fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. 7. Rice paper spring rolls. Thin rice paper wrappers filled with a variety of fresh vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and lettuce. Dip them in a tasty sauce for extra flavor. 8. Toasted coconut chips. Thin slices of coconut that are toasted to perfection, resulting in a crispy and slightly sweet snack. They offer healthy fats, fiber, and a touch of sweetness, making them a satisfying and portable snack. 9. Vegan popcorn with nutritional yeast. Popcorn popped in a pan or microwave, then sprinkled with nutritional yeast for a cheesy and savory flavor. Popcorn is a whole-grain snack that provides fiber, while nutritional yeast adds a cheesy flavor and extra nutrients like B vitamins. 10. A refreshing smoothie. Blend together plant-based milk, frozen fruit, and some greens like spinach or kale for a nutritious and delicious snack in liquid form. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.